Welcome to this new video where we are going to cover the Surya Arghya, offering water to the sun. We'll look into all the aspects based on Hindu mythology and we'll look at science behind it. So what we are going to cover here is understanding the Surya Arghya, when few rules, what are the basic timing, what are the basic ingredients which we need to add into clean water while offering it to the sun, and we'll look into 5 basic rules as per Hindu mythology while performing this Surya Arghya, and we'll look into detailed uh, science behind it. Each and every rule, there is a science behind it. We'll discuss each and every aspect of it. So we are going to cover all the rules, how to perform and why to perform based on Hindu mythology as well as science behind it. Let us understand what is Surya Arghya. Lord Surya is considered as soul of the universe as per Hindu mythology. Okay, it gives power, position, authority, glory, name, reputation, force, and makes one a ruler. So this is the source of energy. According to Hindu astrology, sun is significator of soul. That is why Hindu people in India do offer water to sun. So this is based on Hindu mythology, why we give this offering to sun. If you look at India has a history of great sages and monks. Okay, there are very intellectual people in our society. Those people understood the way of human body. Okay, this is all about science behind this offering. They understood the body, human body very well and devised it very efficiently. Okay, so for the health and well-being of public, they attached these healthy practices with the name of God, just to make and keep people healthy. They related all these rituals to the God. So let us see, as per science also, the Lord Sun is a major source of power, light and energy. This we all agree. Sun gives us power, light and energy. So let us see how this science is related to Hindu mythology. Most of the Hindu people know how to offer water to the sun. Okay, at many places they go for a bath in a river, or in a rural area they do it in the ponds. But most of these days people are using isolated cabins for taking bath. So this culture is a little bit different now. You need to have some easily available products, okay, which we add into the water while offering this water to the sun. Okay, this will have a miraculous effect on our health, wealth, knowledge, power and position. This is the statement based on Hindu mythology. So these products are copper pot, small pieces of jaggery, a pinch of rice or roli, which we called as sindoor, and clean water. Once we put all these things into water and we offer this to sun after putting it into the pot, then this is called Surya Arghya. So these are all the products which we add into the water before offering it to the sun. And as per Hindu mythology, the timing to offer water to sun is between 6 to 7. This is the early morning time, and best thing is be if we offer this water before 8 a.m. So this is all about what Hindu mythology talk about Surya Arghya. Now let us look into the science behind this Surya Arghya. What are the various rules which we need to follow as per Hindu mythology, and what is the science behind each and every rule? So let us look into each and every rule one by one. Let us see what are the rules for Surya Arghya as per Hindu mythology, and what is the science behind each and every rule. So let us start with the rule number 1, which says don't see directly to the Lord Surya while offering water. We don't have to look directly into the sun while performing this activity. See the rays and sun in the flow of water that you are creating while reciting the mantras. This is the first rule as per Hindu mythology. Let us see what is science behind this rule. If you look at sun rays are reaching us at slanting at sunrise. These rays are great source of vitamin D, which is very important for strong and healthy bones. So these days people are deficient with vitamin D. So this is one of the best thing to do on daily basis to get our bones healthy and strong. Looking at sun through the stream of water protects our eyes from the harmful rays and let the beneficial rays reach our eyes. Okay, rods and cones that improve the eyesight. So this again helps us. Only have beneficial rays will enter into our eyes, which will be improving our eyesight. These rays are also prevent cataract formation. This these beneficial rays which enter into our eyes, these prevent cataract formation. That is why it is recommended we look at the sun for 3 to 5 minutes on daily basis. So this is all about science behind first rule. Let us see what is the second rule and science behind it. If you see, as per Hindu mythology, second rule is we have to take bath, then we go for Surya Arghya. So why, how it helps, what is the science behind it? Let us see. Performing the offering after taking a bath leads to better absorption of vitamin D. If you see, we are considering this as a source of great vitamin C. And after taking a bath, our skin is soft and supple with open pores. So it can absorb up to 75% of the things which it comes in contact with. Okay, so again, after taking a bath, once we go in the exposure of sun rays through water only, beneficial rays will enter and 75% of the things will be absorbed by the skin. So this is again helping us to absorb vitamin D in a better way. As per Hindu mythology, there is rule number 3: Surya Arghya should be performed bare feet. Okay, we don't have to wear any shoes or chappal while performing this Surya Arghya. Let us see what is the science behind it. Walking bare feet helps the body by natural aqua pressure through the soil and grass. Okay, once we walk barefoot, then it gives us natural aqua pressure. Standing on the balls of your feet during the offering, you exercise the tendon of your ankle joints. This reduces ankle joint pains, keep your calf muscle healthy. Okay, so this is again some medical reasons are there. Even physiotherapists recommend walking on balls of your feet to cure painful ankle joints. So this is the science behind performing this activity bare feet. So let us look at rule number 4. Surya Yoga should be performed in the early morning only. Okay, we recommend this to do it between 6 to 8 in the early morning during sunrise. Why it is done? Let us see what is the science behind it. In the morning, air is fresh and pollution free. The plants and trees remove toxins from the morning air via photosynthesis and release fresh oxygen into the air. So while performing the Surya Arghya, we are intaking the fresh air which is pollution free, which again is beneficial for body parts. So there is again a rule number 5. Recite Surya mantra while offering water to the sun. Okay, we always do it when we are performing this. We have to recite some Surya mantra. Okay, let us see what is the science behind these. If you see, reciting the Surya mantra and recitation of word Om is extremely helpful as a breathing exercise in the morning. Okay, even science has proved that reciting Om for 5 to 10 times every day, it is helpful for a body and it is a kind of breathing exercise. Also, recitation of any mantra helps in concentration and focusing your thoughts. Once we go for this kind of breathing exercise on daily basis for 5 to 10 minutes, okay, this improves our concentration. Whatever we do, it improves our concentration and focus on our thoughts. Okay, so there is a science behind each and everything. So there are 5 rules as per Hindu mythology, and this is the science behind each and every rule. So this was the agenda which we have covered in this video. We understood what is Surya Arghya, what are the ingredients which we add into the water while performing this offering to the sun, and we discussed about the best timing and 5 basic rules as per Hindu mythology and what is the science behind each and every rule. So thank you for watching. See you in the next part.